Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I ran out on my lunch break to grab, I thought I was going to find a bunch of stuff at Dollar General and maybe do a little Dollar General haul, but they didn't really have anything at this Dollar General. So I'm on my way back home. I need to clean up the kitchen real quick before I go back to work, so I'll film that and just give you a little cleaning inspiration. I'm going to try to do it as fast as I can because I don't have much time, so let's see what all I can get done. I'll go ahead and show you a little before shot here. Yes, that ice cream scoop is from last night. That's the best ice cream scoop, by the way. I picked it up from Kmart years ago. But I'm trying to show how dirty the counters are here, but it's hard to pick up on camera, but trust me, they are very dirty. And this is where we scraped off some corrosion from inside the thermostat. We noticed this white powder was on the connection when we opened it up, so we used a cleaning toothbrush to clean this off last night. Comment below if you've ever seen that much powder on your thermostat or any other connection. And I made brownies last night to send with Scott. He was going to Danville for the day to play some golf, so we need to do these dishes, wipe the counters, vacuum. So let's go ahead and get started.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it, and you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? No. Yesterday I told you I think that we made a mistake, cause you and I, we lost our sight. It's all about give and take. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex did barely say. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round, round.
All right, guys, gotta get back to work. All done in the kitchen, and I'll probably include some other stuff in this video because that's going to be pretty short, but maybe not. We'll see. Have a good day.
You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex didn't barely say.
Okay, here we are at Sam's a few days later. When I cleaned the kitchen, that was on Friday on my lunch break. Here we are at Sam's on Tuesday after work. I was headed to Bible study but wanted to grab a few things at Sam's, and I had not planned on filming, but as soon as I saw this blanket, I pulled out my phone. I knew it was going to be a good day at Sam's. I did not need another blanket, but it was so soft and pretty, and the lady is totally selling it to me with it wrapped around herself while at the beach. I mean, it just had to go in the basket.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that.
And these bowls are on clearance. My friend Jessica O'Donoghue mentions these bowls in her videos, and she loves them, and I didn't think I needed any because we had something similar, lightweight bowl set with lids, but my favorite size, the one we take to all the cookouts and gatherings, we put like broccoli salad in it and pasta salad, things like that. It broke, so I had to go ahead and grab this set, and at the end of the video, I'll open the box and show you what they look like. And I saw some things I didn't need, like flooring and really nice garage organizational items, so I just grabbed a clip to show you. I had no idea that they had this stuff here at Sam's. And a bidet, y'all, do you know anyone who has one? I have a few friends who just got them recently and they love theirs. Comment down below if you have one or if you want one. And if you want one, who knew that you could get it at Sam's? I had to try out these bras because I heard about them on YouTube and they are super comfortable. They feel like a bralette, but they have more support and they have a regular closure in the back so you don't have to pull them over your head. And here we are at the close. These leggings are super soft and only $9.98. I was drawn to the light gray, but I didn't get any this time. I love any kind of shorts or pants that are pull-on, and these shorts by Gap are super soft. And these corduroy cutoff shorts are great for early fall. All these comfy shorts, I mean, y'all know I'm drawn to anything comfy and soft. I didn't pick up any shorts though this time. If you saw my huge haul video, you know I already bought a ton of shorts, so I'm good. I have these soft joggers in dark gray and I love them. The material is really thin and soft and it feels like you're not wearing anything at all. And I didn't notice this lavender color before, and I didn't see this jacket either. Now moving on to the supplements, I have a lot of friends who have been into the gummies lately, gummy vitamins, and I can't believe they make gummy everything, even turmeric and apple cider vinegar gummies, and Sam's has you covered.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you.
I'm all for taking the emergency as needed, and I do like to take probiotics every day. That's just me. I really think those two things, along with getting enough rest and washing my hands, keeps me from getting run down and sick. I already have a stash of this stuff at home, so I didn't need to pick up anymore. And I just had to show you these really pretty cakes and cupcakes. They are very reasonably priced, and instead of cooking something or making one, if you're in a rush and you just need to take something to a cookout, just grab one of these. As my last stop, I grabbed a bag of frozen chicken bites for my friend Rhonda. Since I was on my way to Bible study, I told her I'd bring them there, store them in the freezer until our study ended, and then she'd have them to take home, and it saved her a trip. Rhonda is my wonderful friend who gave me the crockpot potato soup recipe. I'll link that video in the description box below if you missed it. It is so easy and good. I love you, Rhonda. And look here what I saw, everything seasoned cashews. That sounds so interesting. I didn't get them, but y'all let me know if you've tried them and if they're good. Here's the unboxing of my new bowls. I am in love with them, y'all. They are so pretty. They were on sale. They are lightweight, dishwasher safe. They have a non-slip bottom. They have lids. I mean, they are just perfect. Jessica does not steer you wrong. If y'all don't follow her already, you really should. She spreads joy and laughter to all. I'll leave her channel linked below for you. Her YouTube channel has almost 65,000 subscribers, and her goal is to get to 100K. So y'all check her out and subscribe, and you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of our Living Gratefully family, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. It is so much appreciated, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Just thought I should let you know.